Yep, here we go, y'all. Let's see what the culprit is. You guys seen last night on Chevy's RS Live. Try to do a little burnout for y'all. I'm trying to pull that bitch out the yard. You see where it started to do it. Right there. Right there. You see them pauses. She started a little action. Caught traction. I think it blew out the rear end. But now we're gonna find out right now. Jack this thing up. See what it do. I got another rear end sitting there, so let's see. Sit y'all down for a second. I'll push this thing out. I guess it didn't matter if I put it in neutral or not, because the rear end's going out. I think it's rear end. I hope it's not, but I think it is. Yeah, because she made a horrible noise. It blew up for sure, the rear end. Let's see. That's what this video is going to be titled, when showing off goes wrong. Alright. See what it do, y'all. Set you down again. Poor old El Camino. It's alright. Put a little more beefier rear end in it now. Should have looked like somebody done put a rear end off in here. Sucker still got the writing from the wherever they got the rear end from, the junkyard. Obviously they didn't get a good one. Yeah, she did not like those little burnouts on these slicks, y'all. Alright. I think we up high enough. Y'all get a little gander under there. That's what we're working with. You see the marks on there, so somebody done got a rear end. Dang, in 1991 he put that rear end in. 4/27/91. That's crazy. Alright, let's get us some safety first before I climb my ass up under there. Just sucks on these X-frames, y'all. Ain't nothing to put to, you know. Watch, I'll show you guys right now. Let me set you up this way. Here we go. Go up a little more. Just a little bit more. Jack look a little funny. let it down on those suckers a little bit. Shit, maybe I didn't go up high enough. Well, I'll just leave it on the jack for now. Just for the tires ain't touching. Jack stands under there for safety. Alright. Damn. Can't believe I blew that rear end up in there. Should have got my bigger jack stands. I don't like how that jack is going kind of funny. There we go. Alright, let's go this side now, y'all. See if I can scoop my ass up under here. Pretty sure it's the rear end, y'all. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Alright. So this some bitch is in park, so I shouldn't be able to move. Maybe it was the carrier bearing went out. These suckers do got that split drive line. Let's see. So it could be just the damn split drive line, y'all. Could be the yoke. Let me see. Cut this thing off real quick, y'all. It takes a second to get used to this stupid that thing right there. Let's see what we'll work with, y'all. I might have just busted the... Ooh, I heard something clicking. Let's see this way. Did it break the yoke? Can't see off in there, y'all. Let me see this side. I hope I didn't destroy the tranny. I don't think so, though. Spin. Oh yeah, cause see it's pausey. I'm spinning this tire, so I might have broke an axle. Cause that tire ain't doing nothing over there. I hear it a little. Y'all hear that? Click, 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 click. Yeah, I think I broke the axle. Put you guys down real quick. Alright, I'm gonna fire this thing up. Try to put it in gear. And it gets a little harder when you get older. Getting up and down, shit. Alright. see that too, Lou? Wasn't no patting jack. And she cold. See what kind of noises this thing make when I put it in gear. Well, that's in gear. Oh yeah, that rear end's toast. Look at. See that? Little tire movement, y'all. Rear ends are gone. Shit. Alright, let's check it out. Oh. Can't just put it in gear. Cut that thing off. All right, you guys, to be continued. I shall be back.